Hey, Mike with Marketing Systems by Design here, the channel where we help cleaning business owners generate more traffic, leads, and sales for their business with digital marketing. In today's video, I'll be walking you through 8 website design tips for cleaning companies, so let's get into it. So there's a lot of different things that you can do to improve your cleaning business website and really understand that just having a website isn't enough to make yourself stand out in the marketplace today. So there's a lot of different factors that can help people make a buying decision and choose to work with your cleaning business versus others. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have a professional theme. You really get one chance at a first impression, and if people come to your website and it looks like it's very dated, it looks like it came out 10 years ago, and you haven't really made any updates since, people can instantly judge your company and decide that this is how you run the rest of your business. So if your website doesn't look professional, maybe it doesn't function well, maybe it's lacking a lot of content on it, people will look at it and think that this is how you manage and run the rest of your business and will decide to not work with you. So make sure that you use a professional theme that doesn't have a bunch of different things floating in from all kinds of directions. Try and avoid themes that have a bunch of different sliders, for example. While it might look great, at the same time, it can really slow down your website and make it function a lot worse for the end users, which are the people that you want to impress. So just having a good looking site isn't enough. Make sure your theme is professional, but also functional, as that can really help you convert website visitors into new customers. The next thing you want to focus on with your website design is make sure that you have proper messaging. One thing that we run into a lot is we find cleaning businesses that really just talk about the features of their business. Certainly the features of your services, what services you offer, things like how long you've been in business are important, but most people don't necessarily care about that as much as they do the benefits that they receive from working with your company. So list the features, certainly, but do it in a way that highlights the benefits behind the features. Are potential customers going to benefit from time saving by hiring you? Are they going to eliminate stress and worry from excess hassles of trying to manage the cleaning themselves? If they're hiring your cleaning service to clean commercially, is that saving them money versus trying to build a cleaning team internally? Different things like that. So again, don't just list the features, focus on the messaging, focus on your core difference. What separates you from the competition? Why are these people going to hire you versus someone else? Versus, again, just listing the features that you offer for your cleaning service. Design tip number 3 is that you want to include real photos on your website. In today's day and age, people have seen thousands of stock photos over the years, and they can instantly spot one on your website. And a lot of times people just automatically tune that out. It looks fake to most people these days. So instead of cramming your website full of stock photos, use real photos. This provides several different benefits to your cleaning business as well. One, it can build a lot of trust because people, when it comes to hiring a cleaning service, they have to make the decision to let strangers into their home or business. And you need to build trust to get people to decide to hire you in spite of that lack of trust. And so by using real employee photos, it puts a face to your business and they can see some of the actual people that might be in their home and business, and that can help increase your conversion rates. Another thing to understand is that if people only see stock photos of employees or your processes or equipment that you use, it makes them think that you're maybe not an established business in the marketplace. Because most people think that if you run a successful cleaning business, it can't be that hard to just snap a couple photos when you're on one of your many cleaning jobs that you have every single day. So if all they see are stock photos, it can put the idea in people's minds that you might not do a lot of business, you're not really an expert in the industry, and that maybe they should work with someone else. So make sure you use real photos on your website, as that can help build trust and increase conversion rates on your website. Design tip number 4 is to use multiple different strategies to generate leads on your cleaning business website. A lot of times what we see is people don't have clear call to actions on their website. And this is basically telling people to request an estimate, to call them, or to download some kind of offer on the website. So first and foremost, make sure your phone number and request a quote button is right at the top of your website. You might also want to make sure your design has a floating menu bar where this phone number and request a quote button is always accessible when someone is exploring your website. Also use calls to action within your text, and you might also consider using a pop-up that offers some kind of special discount or maybe a free download that's related to your cleaning services. Because again, not everyone that visits your website for the first time might be ready to request an estimate. So if you have multiple different things like a coupon, a discount, a special download, various things like that, where you can build your email list, that can just be another method to generate leads that you could eventually translate into a new customer. So make sure you implement multiple lead generation strategies on your website. The fifth website design tip is to use content marketing on your website. Again, when people are in their research mode, checking out different cleaning companies, they want to work with a company that is an expert in that field. And so depending on how people find your website, they might come by searching for specific industries. They might be looking for a specific service. Maybe you're advertising your cleaning business, or maybe they saw a post on social media that brought them to your website. Whatever the case might be, if they come to your website and say they're looking for cleaning for a specific industry or a service or in a specific location, and it's not listed on your website, they're going to think that you either don't provide that service or you don't have enough experience providing that service that it's worth it to you to make a web page specifically dedicated to that service. So for example, let's say someone was looking for a medical facility cleaning service and you didn't have a page on your website dedicated to medical facility cleaning. They might think you either, again, don't offer that service or don't have enough experience that it's relevant to you to put that on your website. So using a content marketing strategy can not only build authority, build credibility for your business, but it can also attract those ideal customers for those specific services, industries, and locations with this content. So be sure to implement content marketing as part of your website design strategy. The sixth website design tip is to use positive reviews and testimonials throughout your website and marketing. Why this is important is because this helps people decide to do business with you. Most people are much more likely to believe a third-party customer talking about how great your service is and the benefits of your service compared to you talking about it. Certainly highlight the benefits of your service and why people should work with you. But again, a great salesperson for your business is a happy, satisfied customer. A lot of times, this is the final place people look, or even the first place people look when deciding to work with your company. If you have poor reviews, people will pass on your company. But if you have positive reviews and it's the first thing people see, they'll stick around to explore more of your website. Or if they're almost ready to buy and they see a ton of positive reviews, that might help them get over the hump to actually hire your cleaning business because of those reviews. So highlight these positive reviews on your website and in your marketing, as it can really help you increase conversions from your website. Tip number 7 for improving your website design is to use landing pages and thank you pages on your website. So if you're not familiar with these terms, a landing page is a page that's dedicated to a specific topic. So for example, let's say you did carpet cleaning services and you made a specific page that was dedicated to carpet cleaning. It talked about your processes. It had photos specific to carpet cleaning. It was optimized for carpet cleaning keywords. And you might even have a special offer of a discount on carpet cleaning or even a dedicated lead magnet for carpet cleaning on this page. And so again, we talked about it earlier. This can help improve conversion rates on your website. It can also help build audiences when you're advertising on Facebook. And so this is very powerful because you can build custom audiences of people that visit that web page and then build lookalike audiences to target those that look like visitors to that web page. On top of this, if you're running Google advertising, this can be beneficial because Google looks for landing pages that are relevant to what the ad is talking about. So if you were running an ad for commercial cleaning services, you might send people to a commercial cleaning service landing page. On top of this, you want to use thank you pages, as this can help really improve tracking on your website. A lot of people miss this aspect and they only have one estimate form on their website and one thank you page on their website, if any. And so if you don't have a thank you page, certainly add this in and make sure that your request and estimate forms forward to that thank you page. Because when you do this, you can track people that come to your website and then convert into leads. Also, if you're running Facebook ads, you can create lookalike audiences based on these thank you pages. And if you have multiple different landing pages and thank you pages, it helps you test and track to see which advertising method is working best for your business. So again, be sure to implement this website design tip on your cleaning business website. Website design tip number 8 is to optimize the SEO on your website. And so this ties into the content marketing strategy you're doing, but there's also some simple website SEO optimization you can do without getting into the overly technical side of things. So one simple SEO optimization tip you want to do is make sure that in the footer of your website, you list your business name, the address, and the phone number. Search engines will look for this on your website, and when you have the same name, address, and phone number on your website, on your Google My Business page, in your social media profiles, this associates them all together and sends positive signals to the search engines. When you do this, it helps build authority and credibility for your website and can help you appear more often in local search. Another thing that you want to add to your website is an embedded map from Google. And this is actually a lot simpler than you probably think. You can actually go and Google how to add a Google map to your website, and it will come up with an article that walks you through this step by step. And what you want to do with this embedded map is put this on your service area pages as well as your location pages on your website. In doing this, it can help again associate your website with these specific locations, and it can help you improve your local search rankings for terms like commercial cleaning near me, house cleaning near me, and more. So be sure to embed these maps on your website. The third SEO tip you want to implement on your website design is to link relevant pages together on your website. So for example, let's say you did floor care as a commercial cleaning business and you have a dedicated commercial cleaning page. Link that page to your floor care services page because those services are related. Another example might be if you offer carpet cleaning and you have a house cleaning business, link those two pages together, your house cleaning page and your carpet cleaning page, because those services are relevant, they fit together, and they should be associated with each other. And so when you do this, it helps search engines crawl your website more effectively, and it also helps the end user, because if someone comes to your website for house cleaning services, they may also be interested in your carpet cleaning services. And so by having a link from your house cleaning page to your carpet cleaning page, it makes it easier for them to navigate your website and find relevant services that they may also be interested in beyond your base general cleaning services. So not only does it help benefit the SEO, it helps benefit the end user, and it can help you increase sales for your cleaning business. So be sure to follow these SEO optimization tips in your website design to improve your results. But overall, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and got some benefit out of this. If you did, feel free to comment and share. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates of new videos we put out to help you build a successful cleaning business. And if you're struggling to generate leads and you'd like to generate more, we put together a free video training on the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. So if you're struggling to get leads, you'd like to generate more for your cleaning business, access that free video in the description below this video. But once again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.